Hello! How are we? Activity 45. iPhone games. I remember playing a lot of these games. They were fun. Alright, so I just have this typed up, okay? And then you just need to we're going to be making a column chart. Excel is very useful in making charts. I know you're going to have to be making these in the future, especially if you're going to college. So Excel is a good one to be using. Sometimes it can get confusing, but like I said in the previous screencast, it's getting a lot easier with the newer Excel versions. Okay, so all we want to do is highlight this, and we want to go to Insert, and we want to drop down to Charts, and it tells us we need to insert a clustered column. Click clustered column, and then click OK, and then there we go. Okay, so we have our chart. Now we're going to have to be doing some major changes to this to be making it look a little bit better. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hang on. Alright, here we are. So I just put the title in. Most popular iPhone games downloaded. Pretty easy. You just click in that and type away. But we're on letter 7D. Okay, so what we want to do is now add titles to our axes. Alright, pretty easy. All you have to do is select your chart and then just click on Layout at the top. And see it says Axes Titles. All you have to do is click on it. Primary, horizontal. Remember, horizontal goes on. Think of the horizon. So left to right. So we want to do title below the axes. And then you put that here and then just type what you need to. And then here, this one's a little more difficult. You just want to go to Axes Titles and Primary Vertical Axes. Now we have three different options. Click through to see which one's the best that works to make it look like page 107, but I'll give you a hint. It's this one. Okay. Yep, it's that one. So you just want to type frequency there and then game here. Okay. And then, let's see. I think you're good on, if you want, you need to change the background. So you can click here, I'm over here, just right click and go to Format Chart Area. And you can change the background. Here you need to change this, so just right click in this area, I can't talk today, Format Plot Area. And that's how you change this. And then if you want to change each individual color, this is similar to our pie chart. See, if I click one, when I'm out here, I click one, notice they're all highlighted. Then if you just click it again, that's how you select it. Okay. Now we need to make this on a separate sheet. Okay. So if we want to make this on a separate sheet, all you have to do is just click your chart. Doesn't even necessarily have to be clicked, but look up here under Design. See, it says Move Chart to Location. We want to move this, and we want to do it on a new sheet, and we want to call this iPhone chart. iPhone chart. And then you just do OK. And then look, it just put it on a new sheet for us. And then if you click on this sheet down here, this is our original one. This is the chart. This is where we're getting the data from. Alright, let me just pause for a moment, make sure I taught you everything. If not, see you later. Okay, I did forget one thing. If you check out 8E, it says change the text alignment of the game titles to 90 degrees. Alright, this has changed a little since the old old version of Excel. So all you have to do though is just click on this. So click your text area and just do a right click, and it says, no, that's not right. Click your text area, do a right click, so it needs to say Format Axis. Click on that, and then we have all these crazy different options that we can change. What we want to do is alignment. Okay. Leave this however it is. Leave this default middle center. Text direction. We want this to be rotate text 90 degrees. Or do we want to rotate all text to 270 degrees? Take a look. See which one works. See which one works to make it look like the book. Might be that one. Okay. So rotate all text 270, right? Okay, so look. Looks good. Okay, so that's how you do that. So just right click. Format chart. No. You got to make sure you have the text selected. Okay. All right. There we go. Sometimes it's tough to select it. Do a double click on it, okay? Just to select it, and then a right click, Format Axis. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.